Hey friends, Nikki Jackson with Elevate the Narrative. Last week, we partnered up with Rise to talk about students getting into the risk and insurance industry. And some of you had some follow-up questions about LinkedIn and how to search for those positions. So I thought I would do a really quick LinkedIn tutorial to help show you the ropes a bit. So I'm logged into my son's account. Let's just say he's a student at Clemson University. If I go in here and I have absolutely no connection, and I go in here and I do hashtag insurance careers, that's the one I always tell folks to use. What I can do is see who's got these tags in recent posts. Now, I do recommend that you trim this down a bit and look for maybe timelines within the past week or the past month, and you can absolutely do that using the filters up here at the top. So if I click all filters, I can look in the past week or the past month, and I can hit show results. So let's start looking through some of the results and see what we got. Again, this kid has absolutely no network. So even if you don't know any of these people, you still might see some things. So here we've got merger and acquisition, insurance analyst, nah, director, insurance sales, no, solution consultants. So these are, yes, definitely insurance careers, but what you might want to look for instead are roles like claims trainee or new hire claims or something like that. So let's try that. We'll go with claims trainee. All right, so here we go. Claims trainee. I still have it filtered to the past month. We're with top match, which is good because it's going to search for those terms. So let's now kind of flip through here and take a look. Oh, trainee property loss adjuster. That's a perfect position if you don't have any experience. We're looking for a trainee loss adjuster in multiple regions. Are you APA, CIP qualified with claims handling experience? So that's a little misleading because the ad says trainee, but this guy that's posting, or this female, is saying, hey, have experience. So I guess that's a little confusing, but at least you can get a feel and you can start writing these down in your notebook. So Sedgwick is a company that has trainee positions. Look down here. Oh, there's Progressive. There's another one. Progressive has a claims adjuster trainee. You got to be on site for that one. So add Progressive Network Adjusters Inc. Claims Adjuster Trainee. So here you're starting to see some of these trainee positions. All right. So the next question that we got, now that you know how to kind of find these and what term to look for, the next question I got is you can't get anyone to respond to your application. So I'm going to pause that and do that in another video.
Elevate the narrative.